simplicity, honesty I follow. With simplicity, honesty I follow. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun, so I chant words simplicity I follow. Administrator, Reverend Sister Nirmala, beloved teachers, and my dear friends. I am Erumely. Today, we are the students of class 3A going to present an assembly on the topic unity. Unity is a great power. It fills our life with strength and happiness. Unity makes a country strong. It brings success and growth. It becomes one of the major causes of development of a country and society. We can start our assembly with a prayer. So I invite Minha Fatima for prayer. And also life for prayer. Oh God, bless our studies, the lives of humanity. Is a way to show our love and respect towards nation. So get ready for prayer. I invite Nirmala for prayer. Next position. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are. All Indians are. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And they are. Proud of it. Proud of it. Which are very happy. Which are very happy. I shall always like. I shall always like. Respect. Respect. I will everyone. I will everyone. Record see. Record see. I write. My devotion. My devotion. India will be. India will be. Anuspati Anand. Anuspati Anand. Lies my happiness. Lies my happiness. Stay. So I invite Ivana and some for Bible reading. It has also for Bible reading. Reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. Matthew, chapter 18. At that time, the disciples came to Jesus saying, "Who is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven?" And according to him, men tried to put him into the stead of that. And he said, "Truly, I said to you, unless you turn and become United States, you will never enter the kingdom of heaven." Amen. Today starts with a new belief, new strength, and endless possibilities. So to illuminate our morning assembly, I would like to invite Atyamma for quote of the day. On today's talk, unity is a great power. It brings success and happiness. I repeat, unity is a great power. It brings success and happiness. Have a nice day. General knowledge is the key of success and an important aspect in our daily life. It helps us to know the things which is happening in and around our surroundings. I am Prince for GK Facts. To all, today's GK Facts. Gateway of India is located at Mumbai, which can purify our body deeply. We get solar energy from sun. Which plant is nearest to Earth? Venus. Longest river in the world is Nile. How many days are there in a leap year? 366. Thank you for a beautiful day. Let's know more about our topic. Here comes Answer to share his views on unity. Good morning to all. Respected Principal Reverend Sister Nipsey, Administrator Reverend Sister Tessie Maria, beloved teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I am going to give a speech on the importance of unity. Unity is a great power. It brings our life with strength and happiness. Unity makes a country strong. It brings success and growth. It becomes one of the major causes of success and development of a country and a society. To maintain unity, there should be great trust among people. The impossible things can be done with the power of unity. It reduces the power of the tough time and increases the happiness in good time. Unity makes us being brave and ready to tackle with any culture in the life. Thank you all. Have a great day. Thank you, Ancha. Updating ourselves with the current happening is a good habit. For news reading, I would like to call Diya Barsha. Today's news headlines. PM Modi highest Indian GDP growth by 8.4 Consider is as sharers higher for the annual prayer relationship 2023 and 24, but we did specify of reason. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Teacher, unity makes us great. We conclude our assembly by extremely thanking Reverend Sister Vinci and Reverend Sister Tessemaria for giving us this opportunity. We also thank our pastor for connecting this assembly. Thank
Good morning, teachers.